Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from RCF, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer Limited, which is a government of India undertaking. When you will go to the official website of RCF, you can see here one advertisement has been posted on 26th July, which is for the post of management trainee in chemical, boiler, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil and other IT and other branches are also mentioned here. So when you will click here, you can see apply online. When you will click here, a detailed advertisement will be open. So let's talk about the detailed advertisement. So first of all, let's talk about the post. This is management trainee in chemical. Number of posts are 28. Here the BE tag in chemical or chemical engineering or petrochemical engineering is required. I am going to explain this post for the civil, electrical, mechanical and IT students. So let's see the details here. So the second one is management trainee boiler. Here the number of vacancies are 10. Category wise division is mentioned here. A candidate can apply who is having BE Tech degree of 4 year, okay, in chemical, petrochemical, mechanical, instrumentation, electrical. First, second, the candidate should have a valid boiler operation engineer certificate, then he or she can apply for this specific post. When we talk about the specifically branch wise, so management trainee mechanical, number of posts are 6. A candidate who is having BE Tech degree, okay, with minimum 60% in general, and if you are from SC/ST then it is 55% also in mechanical engineering, then he or she can apply here. Even a diploma student can also apply if he is having. So the details for diploma is also mentioned, you can see here. The minimum percentage 60%, maximum age limit is mentioned here. For category wise age limit is mentioned. For unreserved and EWS the category is 27, for SC/ST 32, for OBC it is 30. So category wise age limit is mentioned for each specific branch. Okay, now let's talk about management trainee electrical. Number of vacancies are 10. A candidate can apply who is having BE Tech in electrical engineering. The next is management trainee civil. Okay, before that it is instrumentation. Number of vacancies are 12. A candidate can apply if he is having a BE Tech degree in instrumentation. Management trainee civil, number of vacancy are only 1 here. Candidate who is having a BE Tech in civil can apply here. The age limit for every category is mentioned. You can check here the age limit and details are also. Now the next one is management trainee safety is mentioned. Okay, lab is, you can see, HR is also there, you can see, marketing is also there, you can see, and this is for the IT. Management trainee IT, number of vacancies are 3. And a candidate if is having a BE Tech degree in information technology, computer science, computer technology, computer engineering can apply here. Okay, they are going to conduct their own written test. This will not be on the basis of get scorecard, so they will conduct their own written test which will be objective. Okay, and then they will call you for the personal interview. So let me tell you about the selection process also. So more options are here, you can check. So when we talk about the selection process, okay, before that application fees is mentioned. So non-refundable application fees is 1,000 rupees, which you need to pay through online mode only. There is no offline mode of application payment. Okay, nature of job, this is important. You can see the company has 2 units in the operation at Alibag Thal and the Trombay Mumbai, and the candidate they will recruit, they can post all over the India also and in these areas also. Okay, after that the salary is mentioned. Selected candidate for the management trainee will be get stipend in the 1 year training period as a 30,000 rupees, and after that they will be posted as a E1 grade pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000, which is having the 80,000 rupees salary plus, okay, and the other benefits you can see here. So this you can consider as 40,000 to 1,40,000. Other benefits, basic pay, VDA perks, HRA are also mentioned here. Okay, now the selection process, which is important. Selection process is based on the online test plus personal interview. Online test will be a computer based test, objective test. Okay, and here the centers are mentioned for the online test. You can check the centers cities also. Okay, you cannot change. Now one important point is mentioned here: the outstation candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWBD reserve category call for the online test will be reimbursed to and fro rail or bus fare, okay, for the management trainees from the nearest railway station. So this is also a good thing, you can see. Okay, acha, one more thing, the application fees. When we talk about the application fees is not for the SC, ST, PWBD, ex SM and female candidates, so they are exempted from the application fees, but for the others application fees is 1000 rupees. Okay, and this we already talked about this one. Yeah, so this is important. The online test will have two parts. First is for the branch related, second is the aptitude related. The duration of test will be 90 minutes. The total number of questions will be 100, out of which 50 questions would be from the mixed course of your specific degree, and this remaining 50 questions from the general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general knowledge and awareness of 1 mark each. Okay, there will be negative marking also for the wrong answer. For more details, the exact date, as of now the online test exact date is not declared, so you can see the exact date on this website www.rcfltd.com. you can get here. Okay, yeah, more detail, the general instruction are mentioned here. After that, once you clear the written test, then they will call you for the personal interview, and then will be the final merit list will be there, and you will get the appointment. Now this is the weightage for the final selection. Online test will consist 80% and personal interview will consist 20% weightage here, so overall it will be 100%. Okay, and more details are mentioned. How to apply, you can go through this one, and you can apply online only. There is no mode of application form, and for application form and payment fees it is only online, it is not offline. Okay, now let's talk about the last date of application applying. So the last date will be, okay, here it is. So as online registration is already started from the 26th July, the last date of online application form and including payment fees is 9th August 2023. Before that you can apply. For more details you can go through the official website of RCF and you can check. Dear students, stay connected to iMustGate Academy. Thank you.